Hey everyone, Teo here from SEO Hamster, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a professional blog in under 5 minutes and use only about $11, okay? So the first step is to obtain a .com domain or .org or .net, whichever your preference is. I prefer .com. The second step is to obtain your hosting provider, okay? So in this case we're going to use name.com, and our hosting will be HostGator, which I'll show you in a second. Okay, so we head over to our domain registrar such as name.com to register a domain. So we're going to try to find a domain such as free WordPress tutorials now. Okay, we're going to see if this domain is available, and indeed it is available. What you want to do is you want to click add to your cart and click on checkout. And here you'll find your checkout page. Now, I previously had searched for another domain, so let's just use free WordPress tutorials now.com. And what you want to do is you want to also use a coupon code privacy please on here, which will save you $4 for the privacy protection. The next step is your credit card information, so just enter in your credit card information and verify your account with name.com and you should be good to go. Okay, so in this case, we've already purchased our domain name. Our domain name is freetutorialsforwordpress.com. We're going to head over here. We're going to click on this, and we're going to see that we have our name servers here. This is very important for the next step. Okay, so once we have that, we want to head over to get our hosting provider. Now, I've provided a simple way for you to obtain virtually free hosting. Now, if you just head over to seohamster.com/hosting, you can find that we've created a page here for you where you can use the coupon code SEOhamster at checkout with HostGator for up to $10 off, $9.94 off. So when you click on this link, it'll head over to HostGator, and within HostGator, click on web hosting and click on the baby plan, which includes unlimited domains, unlimited disk space, bandwidth, and it even includes a shared SSL certificate, which you don't really need right now. Okay, so head over to HostGator, click on web hosting, click on monthly. Since we're going to be billed monthly, click order now. And since we already own the domain, we're going to click I already own this domain. Going to head over back to our name.com and copy our domain name here, free tutorialsforwordpress.com. Put in our domain. Okay, wonderful. Choose our package. Input our username, security pin, your information here, and your credit card information. And since we already have our domain, we don't need any of these additional services. And since HostGator has provided a coupon code for about $2 off, using the coupon code SEOhamster, you will get your order virtually free for only 1 penny. Okay, click on I have agreed to the terms and conditions, enter in your information here, and click create account. Now we've already created this account, and our account has been sent to our email already. As you can see here, it's 412. We created this account. It's 418 right now. We're going to click on this. We're going to copy the name servers here. Okay, copy this name server. Head over to our domain, and we're going to edit our name servers. So we're going to click edit, delete these, delete the old name servers, add in the new HostGator name servers. Simple as that. Okay. Apply changes, and changes have been applied. So now our free tutorials for WordPress.com will be pointing to our HostGator hosting. Okay, so the next step is you want to head over to HostGator and sign into your cPanel. Now before we do that, we're actually going to start the timer, and we're going to start the timer for 5 minutes, and I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to install your WordPress website within 5 minutes. Okay, we're going to click go, and here it is. Here's our timer here. Head over to our email, click on our control panel user, put in your username, okay, put in our password, okay, log in, been successful. And what we want to do is we want to install WordPress. Now this is how easy and how fast it can be to install your WordPress. Okay, we're gonna head over to our scene panel, and there's gonna be a link here called Fantastico, or you can use Quick Install. Either one works very well. Okay, it's recommending that we use Quick Install, so let's just use Quick Install. Okay, so click on WordPress, click on Continue, free tutorials for WordPress.com, put in our admin email, admin@freetutorials.wordpress.com, blog title. Okay, put in our admin user and install. Now what this is doing right now, it's installing WordPress seamlessly. So you don't have to do any of the coding or anything like that. It's also going to give you a password here that you can use. Okay, so head over to our WordPress admin. Okay, there it is. And since this is already pointing to our hosting on HostGator, we're good to go. Okay, so admin, copy and paste the password. And we are in our back end of WordPress. Simple. 2 minutes. Okay. Next thing we want to do is we want to head over to appearance, and we want to add a new appearance. So click on add new, and we can also browse for themes. So click browse and click on popular. Okay. And in this section, you can find various themes to install for your WordPress installation. Okay, and we're just going to try to find one that looks professional that we can use, okay? So we're going to search here. There are tons and tons of WordPress themes that you can find and use depending on what kind of website you want to create. So for example, if you wanted to create a responsive theme, you can also use that as well. So in this case, let's choose a theme with a header. Okay, let's do this one. Let's do Swift theme. Click install. Click activate. And mind you that it's only been 3 minutes, and I'm also explaining how to do this. Okay, so actually this theme looks like it's jumbled up and really messed up. So you want to browse for another one. So let's just click on popular, or you can even click on latest themes. And this is actually just browsing through the WordPress's database for themes. Okay, so let's just find another thing here. Okay, let's use this Mindzine theme. It looks really professional, looks really clean. Okay, we're going to install this theme. We're going to activate it, and we're good to go. Okay, so let's check out our WordPress website here. Awesome, looks very professional, clean cut, the whole 9 yards. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to install a header. Now, some themes have headers, some don't, but this theme apparently has a header. So you can use a theme header of up to 10, 12 pixels. Okay, so what I like to do is I like to search for wallpaper themes. So let's just search for nature wallpaper. Okay, so we're gonna go to images and just head over and find a nice looking wallpaper. Okay, so let's use this one. It's over 10, 12 pixels in width. So we're gonna save this image as, save it onto the desktop. Okay, head over back to our WordPress site, choose our file, choose our wallpaper site. Okay, click upload, and what we can do here is we can also crop the image here. So we're just going to use this as our image for our header, crop and publish, and we're good to go. Okay, let's refresh our WordPress page. There we go. Okay, so we have our header here. We have our heading, and it's only been 5 minutes, so a little bit more than 5 minutes. So let's just add a post here quickly. Okay, let's delete this old. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. with me explaining how to create everything from start to beginning, from beginning to end. Okay, so click on post, click on add new, and we're gonna want to add a new post here. This is our WordPress post. Welcome to my website. We hope that you enjoy all of the features on this site. Thank you. Okay. And just for aesthetic purposes, we're just gonna add another image here. Let's just add this image. We'll copy this since this is a wallpaper. Okay, we're gonna add our image here. Select our file. Boom, boom, boom. Okay. Link to nothing. We're just gonna use medium. Insert into post. And we're actually going to use this as a featured image as well. So we're just going to click on this and set it as a featured image right here. So it's going to show up on our WordPress page as well. Okay, click on publish. Refresh this page here. And here we go. We have our featured image, our contents here, and our WordPress post. That's really about it. And I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And look out for our next tutorials on how to create WordPress pages, and I look forward to seeing you there. Thank you.